Kurumirira mbara ya kubukia njohi thumu iria yambikitwo ni munini wa mutongoria wa bururi o hamwe na mutumia wake Pastor Dorcas Rigathi kumana na iko cia njohi thumu kuhaica mbara ino nionekanite guciara matunda.
Your Excellency, Madam Dorcas, Pastor Dorcas, I am really humbled to be here in your presence. The work that you have been doing for boy child in this republic, I am a beneficiary to tell the young people of this republic that young people, their future is today. Their leadership is not for tomorrow, but today. And they can only do that if they are not drunk and if they are not addicted.
Maya monekanite hindi ya igongona ria kuruguria gikundi kia Rose Kirika Foundation ukuruini wa M-Pesa Foundation kuria mutumia wa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Pastor Dorcas Rigathi ahete wira uria wari mwandiki wa Mohoro Johana.chacha o ni thutha wake kugerera Ceceni ya Kurunga Mitugo.chacha Egutuika umwe wa Andiki a Mohoro a Mutumia wa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi.
Seen it when I've been going round trying to save this boy child of mine, and they tell you it was a joke. I have one who is just standing behind there, and he was employed in KTN. He was employed in many jobs, and I found him in the gutter, and he's there. My son, Chacha, you can run here, they can see you.
Pastor Dorcas ni atugirite wirutiri wa Chacha hari kugarurira kuma mutugo wa onyui wa njohi.
And now, after a few, when he made a decision, and he went for the rehabilitation, and he has gone to the skills of the dignified future. Now look, he's dignified, and he's working with my media there. So, my sister, you are on the right path. Just look at this gentleman. And I can tell you, because when I was doing this, I never imagined that it would amount to this kind of transformation. I went to Kisi and the father came, and they had never talked for years, so they were reunited. Thank you, Chacha. He's free now, and he's working with my media team. God bless you.
Pastor Dorcas nyekitirite na kuri beũ njithi kwimenyerera kwigirania na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurefia.
Society, a simple example is when drugs and illicit brews get into our family. The focus on education, family values, wealth creation, living in a dignified life, they are all great. Men who have gone to school, people who are graduates, people who are professionals, you just need to take that wine, that beer, once, twice, and you are caught up. You just need to smoke that cigarette one, twice, and you are caught up in a chain that you will need all of us to get you out.
Geri for Tramu the GTV, Jetagojo, Shojogona.
Great woman.